What we're talking about here, though, are market crashes, and there are no markets under central planning. Therefore, to talk about crashes under central planning...
I appreciate there'll be no markets, but that doesn't mean there won't be any problems. And when there's a famine or a shortage or something has happened, then the system will be far slower to react.
The same thing happens under capitalism. When there are famines, shit gets really bad under capitalism.
People don't starve.
Let me give you my favorite.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't.
Okay, no.